Yes, good afternoon. Once again, we're back. We're back. And welcome to the final night of Panahon sa Taiwan Travel Fair here at the Glorieta Pangkay Activity Center. So, ako po again, once again, ako po si Chucky Dreyfus. Si Doc Ray, nangabot kami ng pangarap. Siyempre, hindi busy ngayon sa Apex, kaya nandito po ako ngayon. But with me this time, usually kasi ako po nakikita ninyo dito sa event na ito, sa mga leg ng events ng Panahon sa Taiwan. But this particular time, kasama ko naman po ang aking napakatangkad na panganay, si Ralph. Hi Ralph!
Hi everybody, my name is Ralph. I am Chucky Dreyfus' son, and I will be his co-host for today, for those who just arrived.
Huwag po kayo malilang, totoo po, anak ko po talaga siya, kahit mas matangkad po siya sa akin. Naniniwala ako na talagang matangkad ako kung hindi ako nabansot sa kaka-artista ng bata ako. Pero, well, okay lang, at least alam kong matangkad ang lahi namin. But anyways, we would like to invite everyone who's watching us from the second and third floors to please come down to the. We'd also like to thank the following airline partners. Okay, China Airlines, Starlux Airlines, Philippine Airlines, AirAsia, and Cebu Pacific. Nakausap na po natin si all Filipino travelers to join the Taiwan Lucky Land activity. If you're staying in Taiwan for 3 to 90 days, you are eligible. Additionally, for all Filipinos who have visited Taiwan and previously participated in the Taiwan Lucky Land event, from today until December 31, pwede pa rin po kayo mag-enter ng additional draw para mas marami pang chance manalo ng 5,000 Taiwan dollar travel e-voucher. And for more details, syempre, just visit. Volume please. More than just shopping and things that you can see like Taipei 101. Marami pang iba like guys.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests, dear friends from the media, travel industry partners, and to all our friends here at the Panahon sa Taiwan Travel Fair. Mabuhay! It's a truly pleasure to be with all of you today.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for our Taiwan tourism ambassadors, Gabby Garcia and Khalil Ramos.
Hello, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat!
Hello! Kumusta kayo? Happy weekend! Happy Saturday sa inyo!
I-enjoy ko tayo dyan. May mga nakapila dun sa milk tea, oh.
Ay, oo, may libreng milky tayo dyan sa likod. Hello, nakapila sila dyan. Nice to see everybody.
Tara, baba kayo dito, maki-enjoy tayo. May mga travel deals, may mga milk tea. At mamaya, makikipicture din kayo. Lahat sa stand tayo, sabay-sabay. Mag-picture tayo dito, kaya baba na kayo.
Pero bago lahat, kakanta naman muna tayo.
Oo, gusto nyo ba kami kumanta?